What if your car has been lying to you this whole time? What if the most powerful features you paid for are hiding right in front of you? And what if tonight you discover your car knows more than you do? In this video, secret features your car has, and no one ever warned you about your car, knows things you don't, and that should scare you. Some hidden features can protect you, others could fail you when it matters most. Let's start with the most hilarious truth in the automotive world. Millions of drivers still don't know which side their fuel tank is on, and neither did you until now. Look at your fuel gauge carefully. That tiny arrow next to the pump icon is not decoration. That arrow points to the exact side of your car where the fuel cap lives. No guessing, no reversing, no shame. And yet, nobody talks about it. No salesman ever mentioned it. No driving teacher explained it. Your car has been whispering the answer every day, and you never listened. And now the question is, what else has your dashboard been hiding from you this entire time? Now let's talk about your car key. You probably think it's just a keyless remote with some buttons and a dead battery waiting to ruin your day. But inside almost every modern smart key is a physical key blade hiding like a secret agent in plain sight. If your battery dies, if the signal fails, or if your car refuses to recognize you, you are not locked out, unless you never discovered the blade. Many drivers panic and call locksmiths for hundreds of dollars while the rescue key is literally already in their hand. So the real question is this: if your key is hiding an entire backup plan, what else is pretending not to exist? Let's open your glove box, because it's not just a glove box anymore. In many cars, it hides secret compartments, hidden USB ports, air-cooled storage, and in some models, an actual lock system you never activated. Some glove boxes cool drinks, protect valuables, and hide connections you didn't even know you had. And you've been dumping napkins and old receipts inside like it's a trash bin. But if your glove box is smarter than it looks, imagine what your trunk is hiding behind that floor panel you never lifted. Now walk to your trunk, lift the carpet, and meet the underworld of your car. Below the floor is a hidden vault, extra storage, emergency tools, secret compartments. Designers intentionally built spaces down there to hide emergency kits, personal items, and gear from thieves who only open the top layer. Your car isn't just dramatic, it's strategic. You paid for a secret basement and never even knew it was yours. And if automation engineers hid space there, what else did they hide under things you never looked beneath? Look at your mirrors now. No, really look at them. That faint, slightly curved line near the outer edge of your side mirror is not a design style. It's a blind spot killer. That tiny line gives you wider vision to catch vehicles hiding in your danger zone. And every day people crash while the solution's been floating beside their face the entire time. How dangerous is that thought? Your car gave you wider eyes and you kept them half closed. So now tell me, how many collisions could intelligence have prevented if curiosity showed up earlier? Now examine the outside of your car. That little square panel on the bumper? Not cosmetic, it's the door to your towing system. Pop it off and you'll find threads for a steel tow hook designed to screw directly into your car. It's your emergency escape plan when your car refuses to move or the road refuses to cooperate. Your vehicle includes recovery equipment by default, and drivers still panic, like there is no backup plan. And if something you never noticed can save you one day, what else do you underestimate daily? Let's drive into the dark literally, because inside your rearview mirror lives one of the most underrated survival switches in the automotive world. That tiny lever underneath, or the hidden button inside your mirror, changes the glass angle and reduces blinding headlights from behind. This feature exists so your eyes don't die on night highways, yet people suffer every evening while the solution listens silently inches from their face. If the darkness didn't defeat you, but ignorance almost did, what else is quietly offering you protection you never activate? Now let's talk about something unsettling. Inside many trunks exists a glow-in-the-dark lever. This isn't for convenience, it's for survival. If someone is ever trapped inside a trunk, pulling that handle opens it from the inside. The feature exists because laws demanded it after too many tragedies. Your car was built with an escape route you hope never becomes necessary, and yet you probably never even spotted it. Your car prepared for situations your mind never imagined, and that should shake you just a little. Look at your roof. See that shark fin antenna? That tiny fin talks to satellites, radios, GPS towers, and cellular systems. It listens to the sky while you watch traffic. It's not just decoration, it's your vehicle's brainstem speaking to the world above the asphalt. Your car knows where you are, how you move, and helps guide you like a silent digital co-pilot. So if your vehicle is communicating with space, how primitive does your understanding suddenly feel? Some cars still carry magic from the past in the form of hidden headlights, entirely disappearing headlights, pop-up beams, spy machine energy. While rare now, they prove one thing. Automakers once loved secrets. Performance tucked behind panels. Light that appears when summoned. Components that vanish when not needed. They didn't just build cars, they engineered mystery. And if machines once wore disguises by design, are today's models hiding even cleverer truths under digital layers? Your backup camera isn't a luxury feature. It's a last line of defense against disaster. Blind zones behind vehicles are known danger areas, especially in tight spaces. Children, walls, animals, lives, disappearing in seconds behind a tailgate. The camera isn't there to look fancy. It's there to save something. Maybe not every time, but one day. And most drivers only glance instead of trusting it. But if your car is literally watching your back, why do you still behave like you're alone? Now sink into your seat and tell me this. Does your chair just move, or does it remember you? In many vehicles, seats store memory. They learn your shape, your comfort, your position. They recognize you before you even touch the wheel. Heated seats, ventilated seats, posture support, lumbar controls. Your chair is no longer furniture. It's technology wearing leather. You're not sitting in a seat anymore. You're docking into a machine. So if your car remembers you, what else about you do you ignore? Your dashboard isn't a screen, it's a command center. Voice control, gesture control, ambient lighting, climate memory, assistant AI. You can talk to your car, you can wave at it, you can make it change color like a mood ring, and most drivers never even open those menus. They paid for intelligence and still treat the machine like it's mechanical. But if your car responds when spoken to, maybe it's time to speak up more often. Hidden inside your car are Easter eggs, secret details, and design signatures left behind by engineers who couldn't resist adding personality to their creation. Your vehicle was never meant to be just a machine. It listens, reacts, protects, and hides intelligence beneath metal and plastic. And tonight, you didn't just watch a video, you unlocked awareness. Now, one unsettling question remains. How much of your car do you still not understand? Because nothing inside it is random. Every feature exists for a reason. You don't simply drive a car, you command a quiet intelligence on wheels. And once you see it that way, your drive will never feel the same again. If your car just blew your mind even a little, smash that like button before it disappears into traffic. And if you don't want to keep driving blind while your car hides secrets from you, hit subscribe and join the Smart Drivers Club. More hidden features, wild discoveries, and next-level car content are coming fast, and you don't want to miss what your car hasn't told you yet.